Has anyone ever said to you, or have you said to yourself, you can't make money in network marketing? Well, I am going to ask you a few questions and debunk that story that people say and that you may be thinking, I don't know how people can make money in this industry. So, my name is Dale Ecuyer. I hope you're enjoying my channel. I love having you here. I love talking about the industry. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're liking what you're seeing here. So let's talk about it. So it is true that the majority of people fail in the network marketing direct sales industry. Unfortunately, that is the true statistics, right? The majority of people do fail, but it's not really because you can't make money in the industry. It's absolutely not. That is not the reason that people do not succeed in this industry. Everyone comes in at the same place. Everybody has the opportunity to create whatever type of income they want to. And this industry offers amazing opportunity, especially for women. In fact, 82% of women who earn six figures do it in this industry, in the network marketing direct sales industry. So some of the things you really need to think about, and if you're in the industry already, let me know in the comments. I've been in the industry for 16 years. And what I do know, and what a mentor said to me when I first began 16 years ago, he whispered in my ear and said, the only way to fail in this business is to quit. And I really took that to heart because when I was at my very first conference, I actually sat in the front row and I heard the stories and I saw the possibility and the opportunity. And I knew that if I didn't quit, I would figure it out. And so I am figuring it out. I have figured it out. And I love the industry because it gives so much hope, especially for parents, for moms that want to stay at home, moms that want to make income from home so they don't have to leave their kids and go and do an outside job, which is so stressful for the entire family. But this is the thing, and I see this also in my own experience with the industry when I bring people on board. Many of them will come on board. They're so excited. They love the products. They want to share about the products. And again, just a little statement here, you've got to love the products. You've got to believe in your company. You've got to believe 1,000% in the products that you feel that they will impact people's lives. You have to be 1,000% in, which I am with the mental wellness company. I see when people come in, they have these high expectations. They're just like, oh, I want to make so much money so I can, live the life of my dreams. But then they don't show up. And you're like, interesting. They have these dreams, they have these goals. Do they think it's just going to happen? Or are they not realizing the work that it takes? It's called network marketing. So the reality is you do have to work. It is not a get rich quick scheme by any stretch of the imagination. And oftentimes when you see people that are making six figures a month, you're like, what is the story? Like, is that really possible? When you look at the backstory, you'll see that that person has been in the industry for many, many years and has really worked through learning the skills, learning the strategy, but more importantly, learning the mindset and having the commitment. That is really what it takes, is showing up daily, knowing that you're going to figure it out. You're not going anywhere. You're going to stay committed to your dreams, to your goals, and you're not going to let anything or anyone get in your way. And oftentimes you go through stages in your business where you're like, up, things are rolling, You're bringing people on. And then it's like, whoop, all those people that you just brought on aren't showing up. They're not doing the work. They're talking a lot, but they're not really showing up daily. Like, this takes daily action, like having a daily method of operation. In this industry, you have to show up daily. You have to stay committed. You have to stay in belief. There's so much mindset work that goes into this. So many times we're like looking other places. We're looking at that shiny object. Let me know if you've done that. Like, if you have shiny object syndrome, you're looking everywhere. You're watching this person, watching that person. And you're saying, like, how are they doing it? I'm not doing it. And then you get into this whole mindset thing of, I'm not good enough. I don't have the skills. I don't have what it takes. And it is so, so not true. Everyone has what it takes if they decide that they're going to learn the skills that they need to learn. So for some people, maybe you don't like showing up on video. Maybe you don't um, particularly care to go to events and things of that nature, but there's always a way to make it happen. So you can do, there's so many different platforms nowadays on social media. Or if you are that old school person that wants to go and meet and do coffee dates and all that and go to meetings and meet people and network, and that's fine too. And I've done it that way as well. I also went through a time where I was doing a lot of wellness fairs. That was so time consuming, so expensive, and with not a great return. So you also have to be able to have the ability to kind of look in the mirror and say, is what I'm doing working? Where do I need to tweak things? Where is my belief at? Where is my skill set at? Where do I need to learn some more skills? But I would say that 9 out of 10 times, it's not really the skills, it's the mindset piece. Because you start looking at other people and you're thinking that something's wrong with you. But if you can learn, and this is again like a mindset thing, keep those blinders on, keep you focused on what you're doing, learn more skills, constantly be in evaluation where you're looking at something and evaluating, like, did that work? How can I make it better? And stay in your own lane. Like, don't continue to look outside of your lane. Stay in your lane, constantly be testing and tweaking, and you will be successful in your business. You will be successful. You will become a better messenger and you will attract the people that you are meant to attract. I love the saying that says, become the person you want to attract. And that is a lifelong process that can take a long time. And that is what really I love about the industry, because there's so much personal development in this industry. I love it. Give me a heart in the comments if you love the industry. I mean, I am in it for the long haul. I am here until the day I leave the planet. I am so vested, not only in the industry, but in the mental wellness company, Amare Global. My heart and soul is so into it because of the mission of our company to impact people's mental well-being. I have seen miracles happen. I have seen in my own experience, my own family, people that were really struggling emotionally are now doing great. I will do this until the day I leave the planet. I love the company. I love what we're doing. We're going global. So if you are really, really into really impacting people, this is a company that you want to look into, Amare Global. We are making such a huge impact on people's mental well-being. And that's what is so needed today. People just not feeling good emotionally, and we need to really do whatever we can do on a physiological level, emotional level, to really help people to become their best and to feel better. So I hope you enjoy this. Do not give up. Maybe you need to change your vehicle. I had to change my vehicle after 10 years. I was within another company, but I just wasn't feeling in alignment with it. It just didn't feel purposeful enough for me. It was a weight loss company. And I mean, I love losing weight and I think it's great. But for me, mental well being is just on the top of mind for everyone today, including myself and my own family and kids. Like, we are impacting so many children, and that really fills my heart. It makes me feel like I'm on a mission that I will do, like I said, till the day I leave the planet. So I hope you enjoy this video. I will put in the description how to look for deeper into Amare, the compensation plan, and also the products. I will leave that there. I also have a group called Mental Wellness Warriors, and I will invite you to that as well, to come and see some of the life-changing stories in there. It's pretty amazing. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, share this video. Let's get you going. Let's get you succeeding in the industry. Like I said, you may need to switch your vehicle. You have to be in total alignment with the products that you are representing, with the company that you are representing. There's got to be complete alignment, complete belief, and complete commitment. We'll see you again.